Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie. It's June 23rd, 2016, and I have an opportunity today to make another step toward one of my long-held dreams, which is to teach printmaking online. A woman in Florida sent a hurry-up message that she needed a press, and she needed plates, and she needed things to set up a demonstration in the coming week in North Carolina. And so I'm able to answer that request with the Mini Etching Press Kit, a kit that she can put together in North Carolina. And the kit comes with the instruction book, of course, and all the parts that it takes to put the press together. And along with that, since she is traveling, she said that I had questions about, I need ink, I need plates, I need paper, etc. So I was able to put together a package that includes a DVD showing how to print intaglio, and 5 sheets of paper, some samples of Aqua-wash Charbonnel ink that I think she can use, and a printing plate from my sip and print exploration. So she'll have a pre-etched plate that she can practice on and maybe use for her demonstrations. Not only that, an actual print that was printed as part of those sip and print demonstrations. So she has the plate, a print to go by, a DVD to show how it's done, paper to print with, and ink, and the press. So that goes a long way toward what I call teacher preparation, teaching printmaking in the schools or on your own as a professional or as an artist who likes to do art fairs and the rest of it. Anyway, I'm making good progress. I'm getting a step closer to my long-held dream of a teaching method for printmaking online. Thanks for watching this. I'm Bill Ritchie.